Hello everybody, this is Dr. Mikhail of Mikhail Family Chiropractic. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel and thank you for watching our new video. In this video we have one of our patients demonstrating his range of motion before treatment and after treatment. This is demonstration for the low back range of motion. So normally we have a flexion, which is forward bending, and that's about 60 degrees. And we do have extension, which is about 25 degrees, going backward with our back, and side bending to the right and to the left, and we call that the right lateral flexion and the left lateral flexion. And we have those at normally at 25 degrees as well. Now look at the video for Mark. He's one of our patients. This is his pre-lateral flexion on both sides. You see the limitations. You see how he couldn't touch the floor. Now let me show you how he responded to care and what was his range of motion um, was like when he finished the treatments. His treatments were about 4 visits in a 1 month period and included chiropractic care, soft tissue mobilization, and rehab exercises. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please take a moment and hit subscribe to our channel. And if you're watching us from social media, please hit like and share our videos with your friends. If we can help you with a similar problem, please don't hesitate to contact us. You'll see the numbers under the video through our phone or from our website. You can easily request an appointment on our website as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you on the next one.